Hello and welcome you all. Today in this video we will continue our questions which are based on properties of determinant. So our first question for today is using properties of determinant prove that determinant 1 a cube 1 b cube 1 c cube equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a into a plus b plus c. Students, as I have already told you that if we have three ones in rows or columns, then we will make two zeros by applying rows or column operation, and then we will expand it. So here, as you can see that here we have three ones in column 1. So here we will apply the operation that R2 tends to R2 minus R1 and R3 tends to R3 minus R1. So with these operation, elements of R1 will remain unaffected. So write them as it is. Therefore 1a cube, and then apply the operation which is R2 tends to R2 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0, and then b minus a, and then b cube minus a cube. And now R3 tends to R3 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0, and then c minus a, and then c cube minus a cube. And now see the RHS which we have to find out from our determinants. As we know that x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. So from our determinant, when we take b minus a and c minus a common from row R2 and row R3 respectively, so we get b minus a into c minus a, and in our determinant, elements of row 1 which are 1a cube, elements of row 2 which is 0 1 b square plus ab, and elements of row R3 0 1 and c square plus a square plus ab. So till now we have obtained b minus a into c minus a, and now again we will apply the operation that R3 tends to R3 minus R2. So element of R1 and R2 remains unaffected. So write them as it is. Therefore row 1 will be 1a cube, row 2 will be 0 1 b square plus a square plus ab, and now as per operation 0 minus 0 is 0, and then 1 minus 1 equal to 0, and then c square plus ac minus of b square minus of a square and minus of ab. So from here plus a square and minus a square will get cancelled out, and we get c square minus b square plus ac minus ab. And now student, in our row R3, the element a33 which is c square minus b square plus ac minus ab. So as we know that c square minus b square is c plus b into c minus b, and from ac minus ab, when we take a as common, so in bracket we get c minus b. So from row R3 we can take c minus b as common, and therefore we get b minus a into c minus a into c minus b, and in our determinant 1a cube 0 1 b square plus a square plus ab, and then 0 0 a plus b plus c. And now student, on expanding along column C1, we get a plus b plus c into 1, which is equal to a plus b plus c, and minus 0 into b square plus a square plus ab. So 0 into something is always 0. And when we take common from b minus a and c minus b, so negative into negative will become positive, and hence we will get our determinant which is equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a, and into a plus b plus c, which is equal to RHS. So hence proved. And now our second question for today is using properties of determinant prove that following determinant is alpha beta gamma, alpha square beta square gamma square, beta plus gamma, gamma plus alpha, and alpha plus beta, which is equal to alpha minus beta into beta minus gamma into gamma minus alpha into alpha plus beta plus gamma. So here, as you can clearly see that in this determinant we don't have three ones. So when we apply the operation that R1 tends to R1 plus R3, by this operation the elements of row R1 will become identical, which is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma, and alpha plus beta plus gamma. So from here alpha plus beta plus gamma is taken as common from our row R1. So in our determinant we get 1 1 1 alpha square beta square gamma square, and then beta plus gamma, gamma plus alpha, and alpha plus beta. And now we will make two zeros by applying column operations. So C2 tends to C2 minus C1, and C3 tends to C3 minus C1. So by applying the operation C2 tends to C2 minus C1 and C3 tends to C3 minus C1. The elements of column C1 will remain unaffected, which are 1 alpha square beta plus gamma, and then C2 minus C1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, and then beta square minus alpha square, and then gamma plus alpha minus beta minus gamma. So gamma and gamma will get cancelled out and we get alpha minus beta. Then when we apply C3 tends to C3 minus C1, so 1 minus 1 equal to 0, and then gamma square minus alpha square, and then alpha plus beta minus gamma. So beta and beta will get cancelled out and we get alpha minus gamma. And now student, since we know that a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, and now when we take common beta minus alpha and gamma minus alpha from columns C2 and C3, so we get alpha plus beta plus gamma into beta minus alpha into gamma minus alpha. And in our determinant 1 0 0 alpha square beta plus gamma, gamma plus alpha, and in row R3 beta plus gamma, and as we have taken beta minus alpha as common, so in our determinant we get minus 1, and then again we have taken gamma minus alpha common, so in our determinant we will write it as minus 1. And now student, on expanding it along row R1, alpha plus beta plus gamma into beta minus gamma into gamma minus alpha, and then beta plus alpha into minus 1, so minus beta minus alpha, and then minus, so minus into minus will become plus, so plus gamma plus alpha. So from here minus alpha and plus alpha will get cancelled out, and in bracket we get gamma minus beta. So from here student, when we take negative as common from beta minus alpha and gamma minus beta, so minus into minus will become plus, and we get our result, which is equal to alpha minus beta into beta minus gamma into gamma minus alpha into alpha plus beta plus gamma, and hence proved. So practice this question mentioned on your screen and submit me the solution. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.